Okay, we're gonna show you really quick kind of the befores of the house, what it looks like. It's about as trashed as it can be, but you gotta see it to believe it. All right, so you walk in the first here. This is how you turn on the light. All right. Now, who knows? I think we're gonna knock this all out. Maybe put a bathroom here. Down here. See how I gotta turn a light over here? We're gonna do something, completely fix this floor down here. Come here, follow me down here. We like to call this the dungeon. All right. Coming down here, this is our safe. You like that? It's built into the foundation. Lock that up, good to go. Old school. All right. In here, kind of scary, a little messed up. But this right here, that's really good stonework. I'd spend more time in here, but it's pretty cool. But it's got to be cleaned out. We've got to concrete the floor, clean out all this stuff, grout it up. I think we're gonna get rid of the ceiling, go up high another floor, but we'll see. Alright, moving on. Okay, here, let me try and get some lights on. Alright, of course, this will all be, there's going to be lighting all over the place. This is the bathroom, this will be completely different. In here, take a look, the floor's thrashed. This is a fake wood floor right now. See? Bathroom will be different, we'll try and do a shower. Yeah, this is all going to be different. Okay. All right, this is we're going to take this all out right here. We're going to get rid of this 1970s stuff that they put over here. This is part of the actual stone house that was original. This room and the room next door. And you can actually see in this closet, we're going to get rid of this closet right here. This was a walkthrough to the other room, right there. This is how they walk, and this was probably the kitchen area, right here. And so they made shelves and just blocked it off. Okay, come on into here. Let me find some lights. Okay. So this is the main living space right here. We're going to get rid of all of this. In fact, we're getting rid of this wall right here. This is a brick wall. It goes all the way up to it doesn't go all the way up to the roof. It stops right there. So we're going to take this down, brace it across, open up this area, get rid of all this ugly paneling. I don't know. I love this door, but I don't know. We'll see. We got to fix this whole area. Okay. Let's go into this bedroom over here. Actually, I don't think this will be a bedroom when we're finished with it. Right here. We're going to probably take off all the trim around in here. It's not a whole lot. It's already been framed and everything. This right here, this little closet, was a front door. They usually have two front doors, fire safety, right? Back in the days, they didn't have all this fire safety. So this is going to we're going to try and get that back into a front door eventually. Notice these are thick. See how thick these are? That's because this is a stone wall. Okay, it's a stone wall. It's that thick. Makes it great for summers. It's cool. Okay, let's go into the kitchen. All right. Okay, so this wall right here, you pan around, this wall right here, see that? See these bricks? It's mud, it's clay. See that? Oh, we just vacuumed, great, sorry. But it's got to come out. All it is, great for a fireplace, but it's earthquake or anything, it's coming down. We're gonna brace all this up. We're taking this out, opening it up. We're gonna replace all this stuff, put new cabinets right here. Of course, we're gonna redo the whole electrical system. Everything here is gonna go out. We're still trying to figure out what in the world to do with this right here, because we need a spot for. We'd like to have a pantry, but we also need other rooms. So we'll see what we're gonna do. Oh yeah, this is the pantry. This is just underneath the stairs right now. So we're gonna tear all this out and redo all this. Okay, let's go upstairs real quick. All right, upstairs. Watch your steps. Steps are short, just like in the olden days here. It's actually pretty wide right here. They just closed this off. We're gonna open this back up to where the steps are, so it doesn't seem so narrow. Open it up, and this right here, you can't see. But this is what was it?
Transom.
A transom was right here. In fact, transoms were over. I think we might just open them up all the way. I don't know. Alicia will determine that.
Yes, we are.
Okay, so we're going up the stairs. We're gonna redo the stairs. We're gonna get this. I don't know what's going on with these right here on the sides. Redo the way the sides are here. Make it all pretty. Right now it's just pretty plain. Okay, up here, see this ceiling? See this ceiling right here? This ceiling is gone. All right, this ceiling's gone. This wall right here, we're gonna blow this wall out. This right here, this is cute and all, but it's gotta go too. These walls are going away. This wall right here, we're probably getting a pony wall, or maybe it'll be full. I'm not sure. We'll see. Alicia will decide on that. But once we tear all this out, it's going to open it up. We're probably going to have a loft over in this area right here. Now, there's no bathroom upstairs. So we might put a bathroom right here and just open up a hallway right here. Let me turn some lights on. Okay, is that better? All right. So this is like this huge wasted space right here. So we're gonna try and figure out something to do. And this right here, we're gonna change all this. I'm pulling this out. It's the old electrical. They did a lot of weird stuff, just adding stuff. And they didn't do a good job. All right, come on here. This bedroom, okay, yeah. So this is the chimney that goes to that, the rest of that brick. All this is going down, and there's a big old chimney that's up there. Now, once that chimney's down, there's gonna be a hole. So Alicia came up with a great idea, and we're gonna put right there a
skylight.
Skylight, yeah, skylight. So I'm thinking right here in this area, we're gonna have a loft above this. We're gonna tear down first, but we're thinking all the ceiling. But we believe there's going to be we'll probably put a loft. Yeah, we'll have new flooring down on top of this. Okay. We're going to tear out these walls, redo all this. There's no light in here right now. Now, this right here is out to the Widow's Walk, which is where you walk on top or above your porch right there. This door, we're gonna redo this, make this all nice so you can walk out on the porch. And we're gonna redo the porch, make it a wraparound porch. Okay, this room's kind of a mess. It's the biggest room upstairs. I don't know if we're gonna take some of it out, make another bathroom of it or not. I kind of like it being size. Problem is with this room, you can't tell probably on camera, but when you're from here to there, it's probably about 2 inches. So what we're gonna have to do is we're going to redo this floor so that it's level. Because I mean, you kind of feel crooked in here. So we're gonna redo this room. And again, blow out the ceiling, bring up the height, kind of show how big this house really is. And of course, you know, we're wiring it all. Okay, this is kind of hard to handle in the pink room. Lots of stuff going on in this room. Scary. Scary, I know.
We didn't do this, by the way.
No, but we didn't do any of this.
It was the people who lived here before.
Pepto-Bismol. So this is all going out. This chimney right here, Alicia's saying, hey, knock it out, but I kind of like it. I want to keep it, but we'll see. We're going to talk about this, and we'll see what happens. But the ceiling is going to go out and kind of raise this up, and we're going to do something great with it, but I don't know yet exactly what we're going to do. Okay, I think that's it, Alicia. Can you think of anything else? On the inside. I mean,
No.
the outside's a whole nother deal. But the space isn't used very well, and this house needs some love, and so, and a lot of elbow grease. Here's our view from up here. Oh man, it used to be all green and gorgeous. I don't know if you could show a picture of what it used to look like, but we've got there's apple trees right there, and we've got a pear tree over there. In the back, we've got a 100-year-old apricot tree starting to go bad. This one to the left, it's another apricot, and then an apple, another apricot. So, anyways, we're gonna clean this all up. All right. Anything else? Shall I go out to the front, or?
Yeah, you can talk about the front. The phone might die,
Okay.
but we'll try and do